Imagine making $35,000 every single month. Not by inventing something new. Not by building a huge company. But simply by cloning apps. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not. In fact, it's exactly what I did. I cloned 3 apps. Just 3. And now those apps are printing me $35,000 every month. Want to know how? Keep watching. Because in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. The exact steps. The tools. The tricks no one talks about. And the mistakes to avoid. Ready? Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Let's go. First question. Why clone apps instead of creating new ones? Simple answer. Less risk. The market has already tested the idea. You know it works. You just need to build it better. Faster. Or cheaper. That's the beauty of cloning. It's like buying a roadmap to success. Someone else did the hard part. Think about it. Every big app you know was cloned at some point. TikTok clones exist. Uber clones exist. Even Facebook was a clone of earlier networks. So cloning isn't shady. It's smart business. But here's the trick. You don't just copy everything. You improve one small thing. That's how I did it. I found 3 apps making money. I studied their reviews. I looked for complaints. Bugs. Missing features. Bad design. And then I cloned them, with my own twist. And that twist made all the difference. Let me break it down step by step. Step 1. Research apps. Don't just pick random ones. Look at the charts. See what's trending. Check Google Play. Check the App Store. Search for apps with millions of downloads. But still getting complaints. That's your goldmine. Step 2. Outsource the build. You don't need to code. I didn't. I used freelancers. On sites like Upwork. On Fiverr. Some even sell ready-made clones. I just gave them my improvements. And they built it for me. Done. Step 3. Launch fast. Don't wait for perfection. Get it out there. Test it. Collect feedback. Improve as you go. Remember, speed wins. If you wait, someone else will grab the opportunity. I launched my first clone in 3 weeks. And it started earning almost immediately. Now, here's the fun part. Step 4. Monetize. Ads. Subscriptions. In-app purchases. Pick one. Or use all 3. My first app used ads. The second one had a subscription plan. The third? A mix of both. Together, those 3 apps now pull in $35,000 a month. That's more than most jobs pay in a year. From apps that I don't even touch anymore. They run on autopilot. And that's the power of cloning. Build once. Improve slightly. And then let the money flow. Sounds good, right? But wait. You might be wondering, how much does it cost? I'll be real with you. You don't need thousands. My first app cost just $800 to build. And it paid for itself in the first month. After that, it was pure profit. The second one? Cost me a little more. But made 10 times back. And the third one, that's the jackpot. That's where the big money started. Now let me share the secrets that most people won't tell you. Number 1. Timing is everything. Launch while the trend is hot. Don't wait a year. Number 2. Design matters. People judge apps in seconds. Clean design beats clunky design every time. Number 3. Never stop updating. Keep fixing bugs. Keep improving. That's how you stay ahead of clones of your clone. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Now let's go deeper. Which categories should you clone? Fitness apps are gold. Meditation apps are huge. Finance apps never die. And productivity apps? Always in demand. Don't waste time on games unless you have serious budget. Stick with utilities and tools. That's where the stable money is. That's where my 3 apps live. Let me tell you what happened with one of them. I found a budgeting app. It had millions of downloads. But the reviews? People hated the ads. And the design felt old. So I cloned it. Added a cleaner interface. Gave users the option to pay $2 a month for ad-free use. Within 6 months, that app alone was making $15,000 a month. From $2 subscriptions. Crazy, right? The second app was a workout tracker. Same story. Big downloads. Bad reviews. I fixed the bugs. Hired a better designer. Relaunched it. And boom. $10,000 a month. Just like that. The third app was in meditation. That one was riskier. But I added unique sounds. Better visuals. A free trial option. And it worked. 10,000 plus every month. Total across all 3, 35,000. Consistently. Now here's the question, can you do the same? Absolutely. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need a team. You just need the strategy. And the willingness to execute. Because the opportunities are everywhere. Every app store is full of them. You just have to look. Still with me? Good. Because here's the big secret. The tool that made me my first $100. I used an App Store analytics tool. It showed me trending apps. It showed me download stats. It showed me reviews. That's how I knew what to clone. Without it, I'd be guessing. With it, I was laser targeted. And that's why I won. Want to know the exact tool? Watch till the end. Oh wait, you're already here. The tool is App Annie. Simple, powerful, effective. And yes, it works. That's what I used. That's what you can use. And that's what started everything. $100 turned into $35,000 per month. All from cloning apps. Insane. So what's stopping you? Fear? Doubt? Thinking it's too late? Let me tell you, it's not too late. The app market is growing every single day. Millions of people are downloading apps right now. Someone's going to earn that money. Why not you? The opportunities are sitting there. In plain sight. All you have to do is grab them. Just like I did. Start small. Clone smart. Improve slightly. Launch quickly. And then scale. That's the formula. It's not rocket science. It's execution. So what are you waiting for? The next app success story could be yours. But only if you take action. Because watching videos won't make you money. But applying this strategy will. That's how I did it. That's how you can do it. And that's how fortunes are built. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. You don't want to miss it. Trust me, it's the missing piece. So hit that subscribe button. Click the bell icon. And stay tuned. Because I drop these AI money making tools every single week. And you'll want to stay ahead. This is your time. Don't let it slip. The opportunity is right here. 3 cloned apps. $35,000 a month. No magic. No luck. Just smart moves. And smart timing. If I can do it, so can you. Now go make it happen. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.